This video tutorial is compatible with Photoshop CC and Photoshop CS6.
In Foundation Project 4, we'll look at creating a low-key lighting effect using ACR or Adobe Camera Raw. So open up the example image by selecting it and then click Open in Camera Raw. And the first thing that we need to do is just make sure that we reclaim some of this detail that you can see is being lost here or clipped. So we'll need to adjust the whites and the black points using the whites and black slider controls, making sure that those points aren't clipped. We'll use the highlight slider to pull the rest of those tones back in line. The next thing we want to do is make sure that we have no appreciable grain or noise in the image. We can do that by going into the detail pane, dropping down our sharpening for the moment, and increasing our luminance and our color noise controls so that we've got the most noise-free adjustment we can for the image. Once we've got that, we'll now perform the magic of converting this into a low-key image by dropping down exposure and also darkening the shadows, being careful not to pick up this clipping that we can see here. So we might need to adjust the black slightly in order to not get that clipping. And we want to try and target the area around this part of the image being around about 30 to 40. And as I move the zoom tool around the image in the shadow area here, you'll notice on the right hand side underneath the histogram that we'll get a running readout of the red, green and blue values. So you can see here just how dark this part of the image is. We can pull down our exposure even more. We can still maintain detail through here. Just pop it up just a touch. We're maintaining detail all through here. There's no clipping. We've still got some really good highlights happening in this portion. We might push those highlights up just a little bit and brighten them using the highlight slider. And we've got a low-key image.